Hey, have you ever heard of What's So Cool About Manufacturing?
Yeah, I have. Don't we have a company called Handle Power this year?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Hey guys, come over here and check this out.
Are you serious? What are the odds? Whoa, guys, the lights turned back on. Look at the computer.
What's Handle Power? Let's find out.
My name is Nick Hindle, and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing at Handle Power. We do everything in-house from sales to engineering to manufacturing. We manufacture battery chargers, battery cabinets, battery monitors. We manufacture switchgear. We also manufacture DC mobile trailers. Handle Power, I believe, is different than other companies because of our culture. I think we have a very unique way of going about things, and I think if you go out and take a look and talk to everyone, you'll realize that the family values, putting importance, putting appreciation on people, that is, I believe, why we won Best Employees to Work.
Let's head over to Leroy to learn more about magnetics.
My name is Leroy Wheeler. I work at Handle Power in the magnetics department. My day-to-day goal at Handle Power is to come to work happy, leave happy, and get as much done as possible from a quality, safety, production point of view. Very excited to come to work every single day. It's a great place to work at, and I love the people I work with, and I think that's what makes the company.
Let's go hang out with Patrick to learn a little bit more about assembly.
The special thing about where I'm at in this department is I'm the last person to see these units before they go out into a charger. So I test everything, I hook it up, I make sure every single coil is ready to use for the end product. I love the company, man. They push me to grow, they push me to do better every day. Never get to stop improving. You know, I'm always growing and adapting, and I'm grateful for it.
Handle Power works hard every day to ensure our power stays on and the world keeps running. Their products and services are second to none, but this wouldn't be possible without the dedication of their employees. Handle Power has always maintained that their employees are their #1 priority, which was one of the main reasons why their company was voted as one of the best places to work in the Lehigh Valley. Handle Power not only manufactures high-quality products, but they have a great workplace environment where everyone is a family. Like they say at Handle Power, it's all about the people. If you want to learn more about cool manufacturing jobs, visit what'ssocool.org.